one. In a survey, 113 business executives were asked if they regularly read the Wall Street Journal, Business Week magazine, and Time magazine. The results are given here, and we're going to put these in a Venn diagram and then state how many read none of these. All right, so let's fill it out. Let's call this first circle the Wall Street Journal. I'll call that J. Business Week I'll call B. And T is the Times. The universal set here, that's a total of 113. Now, the journal, the total is 88. Business Week is 76, and the Times is 85. So I'll draw an arrow there, 85. However, it said that 6 only read the journal, 5 for the Business Week, and 8 for the Times. And 42 read all of them, all 3. Now this should be all of them. All right. So this is 42. So what we're missing is what I'll call this part here, because we've got to figure this out. A, B, and C. And then what we'll do once we get our A, B, and C is subtract all these numbers from our 113 total. So let's set up a system of equations, and let's do the journal one. So the journal one is going to be 88 equals 6 plus 42 plus A plus C. Okay, for Business Week, that's 76 equals 5 plus 42 plus A plus B. Again, I'm just looking at the complete circle here. That's your total Business Week. All right, for the Time, so we have 85 equals 8 plus 42 plus B plus C. Now, if I simplify this, I'm just going to subtract these numbers from the right. I'm going to subtract these numbers from the right and the left, and it simplifies to 40 equals A plus C. 29 equals A plus B, and 35 equals B plus C. Now we have a system of equations, and we're going to solve for those. So let's do it on the next slide. I already put the answers on the next slide, but we'll go ahead and do that. So for the next slide, let's copy this down. 40 equals A plus C. 29 equals A plus B, and 35 equals B plus C. So what I'm going to do is take the first two, these two, and subtract. So if I subtract these two, I'm going to get, let's see, this is going to be, when you subtract these two, 40 minus 29 is 11. The A's go away, and then we have C minus B. Now I'm going to look at these two. So I have 11 equals C minus B, and 35 equals B plus C. Now I'm going to substitute for my B. Let me rewrite my B is going to be B equals C minus 11. So when I do that, I'm going to substitute this B in here. You get 35 equals C minus 11 plus C. So you get 2C equals 46. So C is going to equal 23 when you divide both sides by 2. Now once you have C, which we have 23, which is this part right in here, you just plug the rest in. So basically, if we have C is 23, let's take the 40. You have 40 equals A plus 23. Subtract the 23 from both sides, and you get A equals 17. And now that I have my A, let's plug that into this one. So you have 29 equals 17 plus B. So B, when you subtract 17 from both sides, is 12. All right. Now that you have that, all we have to do is subtract all these numbers from 113. So let's see. I can just leave this, but this is going to be left, so let me duplicate the page. So basically, I don't have the numbers here, but it's going to be 113 minus all these numbers. So you can get 113. Let's go back here and do it so you can see it. I'm going to subtract this part, I guess. All right. So you're going to get 113, which is your universal set, and then subtract all these numbers. So minus 6, minus 17, minus 42, minus 23, minus 5, minus 12, minus 8. Let's see if I got them all. So 6, 17, 42, 23, 12, 5, yeah, and 8. So when you subtract that, when you add those up, you're going to get 113 minus 113, and that gives you 0. So basically what that means is that of all the businessmen surveyed, every single one of them read at least one of the 3 publications. So how many read none of the 3 publications? That would be 0. They all read at least one publication. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.